Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to explore the various undergraduate funding opportunities, master's program funding opportunities, and doctoral program funding opportunities. This university with these funding that we are going to talk about today is the University of Laval or Laval University. Now, this is one of the prestigious university that offers fully funded scholarships to international students. If you are new here, I urge you to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so that you will not miss any scholarship opportunities that I will post on this particular channel. All right, guys. Now, we're going to talk about the master's program funding opportunities first, then we get to the doctoral program funding opportunities. Then we also discuss some undergraduate funding opportunities at the University of Laval in Canada. Okay, so as you can see on this menu, you can easily click on any of the options. If it interests you, then you get to the main details of that particular funding. All right, so I click on master's program funding, then it takes me to this page. So we can easily scroll down, then we get to this side. So for all the program funding, undergraduate, master's, doctoral, we have the admission scholarships, we have scholarship for students, we have research scholarships, we have other source of funding, we have tuition fee exemption programs, other international programs, and then sample student budget on this particular funding. All right, so we click on admission scholarships. Then it takes us here to this particular page. Now, if we scroll down, we go to Citizens of the World scholarships. Now, Citizens of the World scholarships include excellence scholarships and then commitment scholarships. Very important. So we can go to learn more. Then we get to this side, which explains in detail the various scholarships under the Citizens of the World scholarship. So under Citizens of the World scholarships, there are excellent scholarships for undergraduate, master's, and PhD programs. Now, for the bachelor degree and professional masters, the scholarship is worth $20,000. 20,000 Canadian dollars. So it's a very huge scholarships for bachelor's degree and professional master's degree. So what you need to do in applying for this scholarship is that you have to submit your application, okay? Application for admission. So you can easily click on this link over here, okay? Now, once you apply for admission, then you submit your application here for the scholarship, okay? Then during the selection processes, I mean, your application is considered for the scholarship, okay? Now, when you go there, we also have the research masters with theses and PhD programs, okay? Now, this scholarship for research masters with theses and PhD programs is worth a total of $20,000. Now, $5,000 per semester is given up to 4 semesters, which is totaled $20,000. Now, if you are doing a PhD, the total value is $30,000, which is $5,000 per semester, up to 6 semesters. For the research masters with thesis and PhD programs, no forms is required in applying for the scholarship. No form is required. All right. Then another form of scholarship is called the commitment scholarships. This is solely for master's and PhD programs. Okay, and the amount given to masters, it's $20,000, $5,000 per semester. For the PhD, the same amount as in uh, the first scholarship we talk about, the excellence scholarship we talk about. So the PhD is $10,000. Then you're giving $5,000 per semester. You should apply for full admission, okay, before you apply for the scholarship itself by clicking on this to submit your application. So you can easily click on this, submit your application, then explain. You can also apply to the individual programs through other scholarships. So what you need to do is that you can go to faculties, then under faculties, you can choose based on your interest, the program you want to apply for, you can choose it. For example, if your program you are applying for is within social sciences, then you click on social sciences. Okay. When you click on social sciences, then you can find the program under the social sciences. Okay. You can find counting, anthropology, criminology, cultural diversity. Okay. Okay. You can under social sciences. Okay. Now, under social science, you can check the possible scholarships and financial aid within the Faculty of Social. Then, when you check it out, you can see that you can apply for a PhD support scholarship by clicking on this link. Okay, when you click on this link, you can apply for a PhD support scholarship based on the program you have applied to. Then, in terms of masters within social science, in terms of masters, you can apply for a master's support scholarship by clicking on this link. Okay, if it is postdoctoral studies, then you have other options. For postdoctoral studies, there is also allocation of funds. So just click on some of these PDFs to read more about the various scholarships. So what you need to do is that aside the scholarships explained, you can easily go to the program of interest or the faculty of interest. Then you find your program. Okay. Then once you find your program, then you can see the various scholarship options. So we can choose another one. Maybe we can choose like medicine. Then under medicine, once we click on that, it takes us to this page. Then we can find scholarships and funding. Then under scholarship and funding, you can see all of them here. Undergraduate scholarships, scholarships at the second and third cycles, funding for postgraduate medical education. So viewers, this university has a lot of scholarships, uncountable scholarships, and you can easily move to Canada by applying for your program of choice and applying for the scholarship. Some of them you will automatically be considered. Okay, so if this interests you, please click on the notification bell, subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos on studying in Canada, United States, and Europe. Okay, thank you for watching my video.